Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix stick drift on controller in Fortnite, and it really doesn't matter if you're using PS4, PS5, Xbox, the process will be pretty much the same. So load up your game, and then on the top left corner you should see three little lines. You need to press on that. I'm using PS5 controller, so I just need to press options button, but for you it may be different. And then you need to go to settings here. And once you're here, then you need to look for controller with the little gear icon, and you need to then go until you see, as you can see here, it should be controller dead zone. And for my left stick, dead zone is 24, and for my right one is 27. So, for example, if you want to fix stick drift, you need to press your stick, and as you can see here, for example, right stick. And as you can see here, yellow circle turns up. And make sure that this circle, yellow circle, is in blue one. So I can basically make it lower here, like 12, or maybe it should be around 17, and it should not basically stick drift. Same with my left stick, as you can see here. I can make it a little bit lower. As you can see here, probably it's here, right? So that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you, and on the bottom right corner press apply, and that should fix your stick drift on controller in Fortnite. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.